Bismillah. In this video we will explain how to draw box and whisker plot. To draw box and whisker plot, you should know 5 values: the lowest value, the highest value, the median for the values, the lower quartile and the upper quartile, and then draw number line. If this is the lower quartile, so draw line parallel to the lower quartile, and if this upper quartile, draw the second line. Then then draw the box. If this is the median, so draw line parallel to the median and join with the least value. If this is the least value, join with the box. If this is the greatest value, so join with line with the box. So this is box and whisker plot. Now let us start to solve this example. We have these values. We need to draw or to represent this data by box and whisker plot. The first step, arrange them, put them in order. First value 5, then 8, then 9, 12, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22. After we arrange them, now we know that the least value 5 and the greatest value 22. We need to find median, lower quartile and upper quartile. We have many ways to find lower quartile and upper quartile and median. First, we can find the order for each one of them. Order for the median, 1/2 times the total. We have 11 values. 1/2 times 11, so 5.5. Then round up, so you get to the sixth value. The sixth value, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so 17. So 17, so median 17. So median will be 17. The same for lower quartile, Q1. 1/4 times 11, you get 2.75. Round up, you get the third. The third, 9. So lower quartile 9. By the same way, you can find third quartile. Third quartile, Q3, 3/4 times 11, 8.25. So round up, so 9s will be 20. So 20. Now we have least value, greatest value, median, lower quartile, upper quartile. Then we can draw box and whisker diagram. First, draw the number line from 0 to 22 because I need values till 22. Now we have the least value 5 and the greatest value 22. So the least value, or start with the lower quartile. You can start with the lower quartile. 9, so 9 between 8 and 10. Between 8 and 10. So draw a line. Upper quartile, which is 20. So 20, so upper quartile, draw second line. Median 17, between 16 and 18. Then draw the box. It's better use the ruler. Now 5, the least value 5, between 4 and 6. And the greatest value 22. This box and whisker diagram. Now your turn. You have 10 values. You need to set box and whisker plot and find interquartile range. Interquartile range, upper quartile minus lower quartile. Pause the video and solve, then check your answer. After you arrange them, you know that the least value 1, the greatest value 20. We need to find median, lower quartile, upper quartile. To find median, order for the median 1/2 times the total, which is 10, so you get 5. If you have whole number, so take this number and the next, so take fifths and sixths. Fifths and sixths, 9 and 9. So 9 plus 9/2, which is 9. So the median 9. Median 9. The same for lower quartile, Q1. You should multiply 1/4 times 10. You get 10.5, 2.5. 2.5 round up, so third 4. So lower quartile 4. The same for upper quartile, Q3. 3/4 times 10. You get 7.5. 7.5 round up. You get 8. The 8 will be 14. So upper quartile 14. Now draw number line from 0 to 20. Now we have median equal 9. So between 8 and 10. Lower quartile equal 4. Upper quartile 14. Draw the box. The least value 1. So join with the least value between 0 and 2. The greatest value 20. This is our box and whisker diagram.